Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a type of vinegar made from fermented apple juice. It has been used for various purposes for centuries, including cooking, cleaning, and medicinal purposes. In recent years, it has gained popularity as a health tonic, with many people using it as a natural remedy for a variety of health conditions. ACV contains a variety of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and enzymes, which are thought to be responsible for its health benefits. It has been shown to have positive effects on digestive health, weight loss, blood sugar control, heart health, skin health, and immune system support. While ACV is generally safe to consume, it is important to use it in moderation and be aware of potential risks and side effects. It is also important to note that while ACV may have health benefits, it should not be used as a substitute for medical treatment or advice from a healthcare professional. Apple cider vinegar is made from fermented apple juice and contains a variety of nutrients that are beneficial to health. Here are some of the nutritional components of apple cider vinegar. It contains small amounts of vitamins A, C, E, and various B vitamins. These vitamins play important roles in maintaining a healthy immune system, promoting healthy skin, and supporting energy production. It is also a good source of minerals like potassium, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These minerals are important for maintaining healthy bones, muscles, and nerves. Apple cider vinegar contains several amino acids, including acetic acid, which is responsible for the sour taste of vinegar. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins and play important roles in supporting muscle growth, tissue repair, and hormone production. It also contains enzymes that help break down food and aid in digestion. These enzymes can also help reduce inflammation in the body. There are several health benefits associated with consuming apple cider vinegar. Here are some of the most notable. Apple cider vinegar can promote digestion and reduce bloating by increasing stomach acid production. It can also improve bowel movements by regulating the digestive system. It can aid in weight loss by reducing appetite, increasing metabolism, and burning body fat. It also helps regulate insulin levels and lower blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes. Apple cider vinegar may help lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels, which can improve heart health and lower the risk of heart disease. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help treat acne and reduce wrinkles. It can also provide relief for sunburns and other skin irritations. Apple cider vinegar can boost the immune system and help prevent infections by fighting harmful bacteria and viruses. While apple cider vinegar is generally safe to consume, it is important to be aware of potential risks and side effects. Here are some risks and precautions to consider. Consuming large amounts of apple cider vinegar may cause side effects such as digestive issues, tooth enamel erosion, and throat irritation. It may also interact with certain medications. Apple cider vinegar may interact with medications such as insulin and diuretics, which can cause a decrease in potassium levels in the body. Some people may have an allergic reaction to apple cider vinegar, which can cause symptoms such as hives, itching, and difficulty breathing. It is important to use apple cider vinegar in moderation and follow recommended dosage guidelines. It is also important to dilute apple cider vinegar with water or another liquid to reduce the acidity and minimize potential side effects. Apple cider vinegar is a popular natural remedy that has been used for various purposes for centuries. It is rich in nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and enzymes, which provide numerous health benefits. Consuming apple cider vinegar can aid in digestion, promote weight loss, regulate blood sugar levels, improve heart health, enhance skin health, and support the immune system. However, it is important to use apple cider vinegar in moderation and be aware of potential risks and side effects. Large amounts of apple cider vinegar may cause side effects such as digestive issues, tooth enamel erosion, and throat irritation. It may also interact with certain medications and cause allergic reactions in some people. Overall, while apple cider vinegar may provide health benefits, it is important to consult a healthcare professional before using it as a supplement or dietary regimen. It is also important to use it safely and in moderation, and to be aware of potential risks and side effects. Thank you for watching this video on the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more informative videos on natural remedies and healthy living. By subscribing, You'll be notified when we upload new videos and you'll be supporting our channel to continue creating valuable content for you. Don't forget to also share this video with your friends and family who may benefit from learning about the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.